How to get rid of mold in crawlspace. Crawlspaces are typically small and hard to access, which makes them difficult to dry after any type of moisture intrusion. Given that mold can develop within 24 hours of a leak, crawlspaces are extremely vulnerable to mold problems. Many people wonder why they should spend money on crawlspaces mold removal if they never use the space in the first place. Mold releases allergens into the air, which can move from room to room via your HVAC system and causes respiratory difficulties, severe allergies, and other health problems. Crawlspace mold can also lead to structural damage to your home that can be dangerous and expensive to repair. When you remove mold from your crawlspace, you also eliminate the following moisture problems in your home: condensation, deterioration, mold growth, wet insulation, etc. Removing mold from tight spaces can be challenging. This is why it is particularly important to contact a professional to take care of your crawlspace mold problem. If you need expert help for crawlspace mold removal, call Moldbusters today. We cover Ontario and Quebec. Contact us at 1-877-566-6653.